To make $50, $100, $200 daily online, you don't need to work hard. All you need to do is just to learn how you can work smart. What I want to reveal to you today, I have a lot of people that's benefiting from it and making a lot of money from it. Either you have money or you don't even have money at all. You can make money from this platform, but the more money that you have, the more you earn. That's right. So guys, I want you to pay full attention to watch this video from the beginning to the end. But before I repeat this to you, I want you to Hey guys, this is your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from OnlineHustlePro. So on today's video, I want to show you how you can make a lot of money from this free airdrop. You make money every day. You can withdraw this money, and if you like, you can compound it. And if you want to, put more money on it, you earn more on it as well. So this platform called Catly.io. As you can see, Catly.io. So all you need to do is just to go down below. You're going to see the first link in the description below. Just click on it. It will open a page like this. You can see Catly Airdrop, the best Web 3.0 community token. This is real, guys. I want you to, claim it and start making money from it, even right from now. Okay, so now after you have done that, all you need to do is just to come to the sign up right here. So once you click on sign up, let it load, and we have to fill up all this place. You have to enter your valid email address, the password, and the captcha right here. As you can see right here, it said airdrop and stake. So what you're going to do is just to click on this claim. Once you click on claim, then what you need to do, just relax. You don't have any issue with this stuff at all right here, because I know that some of you may be afraid that, oh, maybe this guy, this platform, maybe they're scammer. No. So what you need to do is just to go back to your Binance. If you have Binance, congratulations. But if you don't have Binance, you can just feel free to search for a video right inside this channel. You're gonna see how you can create Binance account, right, and verify it. So if you have a Binance account before, what you need to do is just to go to your Binance account, click on the wallet. Once you click on the wallet, then search for USDT wallet, but BEP20. As you can see right here, USDT BEP20, not TRC20, but BEP20 wallet. Copy that wallet. Once you copy that wallet, enter it right here. So once you put it right here, then you're going to click on continue, right? So once you click on continue, then they will send you a certain amount of money, right? USDT, it may be 0.1, it may be 0.2. This guy will want you to confirm. So they will ask you, so once you know when you receive a deposit on Binance, you will get a notification. So these guys will ask you to go and confirm how much that you receive. So you now use that money to confirm. You enter. They ask you to enter the amount that you receive. What they want to do, they just want to know if you are real. And they don't want one person to have multiple accounts. That is why they are doing that one as a KYC, in form of KYC, right? But that is the format of their own KYC. So the amount that they sent to you, they will ask you to enter it. So once you enter it and you click on OK, then you your account, you claim that, and that's all. Your account, will receive 500 Catly. So right, so and look at the words of this Catly right now. Remember, this token has not been on any exchange platform at all. It has not been listed on any exchange platform, but you can still make money from this platform every day. How? You can also buy more, right? You can also buy more of this Catly. If you want to buy more of it, maybe you want to be earning, that is a 90% every day. Remember, as they have not launched, you can still sell it. I will show you how, but let's be watching this video. You will see how you can sell this coin, even for the fact that they have not been launched at all, right? So now guys, if for example now I buy worth of $300 worth of this token right now, it means I will be earning 3% of it every day, and that is in 15 days, that is 45%, and in 90 days, in 30 days, that is 90% of that, right? So guys, now you can just come right here, you click on buy if you want to buy more, and you're gonna see 1 USDT if you send 1 USDT, you're going to get 250 Catly, right? Now, guys, and within 1 to 3 minutes that you send money to this particular wallet, BP, USDT BP wallet, you are going to get your token and stake it, right? So now, guys, if you want to buy, for example, if I want to buy like $50, like $100, like $500 worth of this token, what I need to do is just to send the money, that $500 into this USDT BP20 only. Just copy it and you send that money to it. Once you do that, then all you need to do is just to click on take your purchase. Okay, take your purchase, and the money will be then this token will be sent to you. And once this token is sent to you, all you need to do is just to come to this stake right here. You click on stake. Once you click on stake, so you're going to see available balance that you are having right here. For example, I have 995.62 right here. So if I want to stake this right now, I'm going to enter 995.562 right here. Then I'm going to click on stake now. As you can see, stake now. As you can see right here, when I enter 995.562, okay, and you can see this is what I be earning every day. That is this is what I be earning in 15 days for entering this 995.562. So the equivalent of this token that we earn in 15 days is just 1.79. Imagine if you buy worth of $500, $200, $100 worth of coin. For example, now let's say I bought for 1 million worth of this token. If I bought 1 million worth of this token, it means in 15 days I'm going to earn 1,800 USDT. 1,800 USDT. And how much is this 1 million? $4,000. Yes, $4,000. Now let's say I invest $400. That means I will be $400 is 100,000, right? So with 100,000, which $400 in 15 days, every 15 days I'll be earning $180 every 15 days if I'm staking this token. Remember, my token will be there, but for the fact that I'm staking it, the profit that I'll be making is $180 every 15 days. So in a month, that is $360 every month. So that is how this works, guys. So now let me say I want to stake this one right now, 995.562. So if you have already received that 500 Catly, this is how you are going to stake it. You have to click on stake and enter it. You see it at available balance right here. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm going to be earning this, and you can see after staking you will start generating income of at so date. Then you click on stake, right? So you can see staking successfully. Now I have 5,000 plus that I already staked. So every day my daily earning from this coin is 152.97 Catly. That is that token, not USDT, Catly. So that is how this thing works, right? And you can also refer. If you scroll down, you're going to see your referral link right here. Okay, as you can see, you're going to see that you have to copy it. Then you can just be making money when you tell others now how to make money on this platform. How can I convert my Catly back to the USDT? So that is very simple. All you need to do is just to come to this token right here. So click on that token. Once you click on the token, then scroll down. You scroll down. All right. So when you scroll down, you're going to see we have buy pre-sale. Then we also have sell Catly right here. So what you need to do is just to click on sell Catly. As you can see that I have receiving address, your Binance, that is my own Binance wallet address. So let's say I want to sell any, like I have available balance right here now. So you can see that you will receive 0.003 USDT, right? Okay, so guys, as you can see, buyback price is 300 Catly. That is for 1 USDT. Now let's say I have 1,000,000 to 100,000 to sell back. If I have 100,000 to sell back, it means that is 100,000 Catly. It is so I'm going to receive 333.333 USDT in my this Binance account automatically. That is as simple as it is. Can you see that you can sell, you can buy, and you resell back on the same platform? So this is what I just bring down to you. But before you do anything right here, free to do your own research very thoroughly before you put your money right on this platform. Okay, so that is what I have for you guys today. So either you have money or you don't have money, definitely you can earn money from this platform. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.